Welcome back. You are making excellent progress, and each lesson adds another piece to your programming toolkit. Let's continue building your skills. C++ Beginner Course, Lesson 3.4 Formatting Output. Today, we're focusing on how to make your console output clean, readable, and professional. You've already learned how to print text, create new lines, and use escape sequences. Now it's time to understand how spacing, alignment, and structure come together to form well-formatted output. Mastering these basics now will make your future programs much easier to read and understand. Here's what we'll cover in this lesson. We'll define what formatting means in the context of console output and why it matters. We'll explore spacing, alignment, and structure, and we'll look at how to organize multi-line output so it's easy to read. Finally, we'll go through common mistakes beginners make when formatting their output. So, what is output formatting? It's simply the process of arranging your text so it appears clean, structured, and readable. Formatting controls spacing, alignment, and the overall layout of your output. Even though the compiler doesn't care about formatting, humans do, and clean output makes your programs easier to understand. Formatting matters because it makes your output easier to read and understand. When you're learning, clean formatting helps you debug your logic and compare values. In real programs, formatting makes your output look professional and improves the user experience. Clear output leads to clear thinking. Here are the basic tools you'll use for formatting output. Spaces allow you to manually control spacing. Tabs help align columns or create structured layouts. New lines separate lines of text, and grouping text into sections helps organize your output. These simple tools go a long way in making your output clean and readable. Here are a few conceptual examples of formatted output. You can align labels and values to make information easier to read. You can create multi-line sections to separate different parts of your output, and you can use tabs to create column-style layouts. We're not running code yet, just understanding the idea. Beginners often make a few common mistakes when formatting output: inconsistent spacing, mixing tabs and spaces, or forgetting new lines can make your output messy. Misaligned text is another common issue, and sometimes beginners overuse white space, which can make the output look cluttered. These mistakes are normal and easy to fix once you understand formatting. Let's recap. Formatting output is all about making your text clean, readable, and professional. You can use spaces, tabs, and new lines to control spacing and structure. Another lesson completed. Well done, your consistency is what builds real programming skill. Thanks for being here and thank you for subscribing. I appreciate every bit of your support.